Hey guys, how you guys doing? Welcome to another video. I just ordered, well, during the week I ordered a tripod for your phone and also for a camera. And I also ordered a camera. So when I'm doing my videos, I hope it's going to be a little bit better quality. So this is the unboxing. I think, well, they said they did. They put both of them inside this box. There you go. And the tripod is a 50-inch tripod. This is the tripod. It came in the box. And yes, the camera is in there. Ooh, the camera is pretty heavy. Okay. This is the camera. And let me show you some visual on the camera. And this is the tripod. Open the camera. Okay, I got my cable. This cable is from camera to the computer. Got all the instructions. The user's manual. This is the microphone. It has a noise reduction piece on it. These are my charging cable. It has the remote. This is a battery. And this is the screw on from the camera to the tripod. I'm gonna put all these out and show you guys everything. Got the charging brick. Got another cable here. And the camera. It's supposed to be nice and small. And comes in a nice case. Camera is nice and neat. Very small. This camera comes, you also can put your SD card in there. And we're gonna try this camera out and see what's going on. I'm gonna read up on the instructions and usage. It also comes with the power, mode, menu, up and down. The up and down is for the zoom. You have a nice little lens here. And when I do another video, I'm gonna let you guys know all about it. Well, and you're gonna see the quality. You guys are gonna see the quality anyway. So these are all the parts that comes with it. And also, I'm gonna put these aside. And the tripod. Sorry. The tripod comes in a nice case. And it's a 50-inch tripod. This is a very nice case. I also ordered it from Amazon. I have all some little accessories here and a little remote. Instructions. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. Let me show you. On the tripod, it has little clips. This is for the adjustments of the legs. And that's the tripod standing up, fully extended, which reaches me about my chest, which is not bad. Okay, this is what I wanted to tell you about this camera. This is it's a pretty decent camera for somebody who's just starting out. You know, this camera, the camera megapixel is 36. Okay, the time lapse for recording, and it also has a time lapse for photo. And what I love about this, it has slow motion. So thanks for watching this video, and catch you guys on the next one.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to AG Born Jamaican.
Hey guys, remember, like, comment, and subscribe to AG Born Jamaican on YouTube.